Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Nuvve for V2G energy scheduling, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Nuvve's login page. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once on the login page, locate the username field. Click inside the username field to activate it. Enter your registered email address or username. Next, find the password field below. Click inside the password field to activate it. Type in your password associated with your account. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After filling in both fields, look for the Login button. Click the Login button to proceed. Wait a moment as the page loads your account dashboard. If your login is successful, you will be redirected to your main dashboard. If you encounter any errors, double-check your username and password for accuracy. If the issue persists, use the Contact Support option for assistance. Once logged in, you can access the V2G energy scheduling features. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available options. Now you are ready to schedule your V2G energy activities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.